Are you tired of struggling to keep track of your money? Let's find the best finance tracking app for your iPhone to help you budget and save easily. Now, this video is not for financial advice, it's for educational purposes only. So let me tell you something. Managing money can be tricky, especially when you don't know where all the money is going, okay? But don't worry, with the right app, you can track your spending, you can set a budget, and you can save for your goals, all right from your iPhone or your Android, okay? Here are some of the best finance tracking apps for the iOS that can make managing your money fun and simple. Number one, we got Mint. Mint is a popular app that shows all your spending and helps you create a budget. Next, we have YNAB, standing for You Need a Budget. This teaches you how to save and use your money wisely. Third, we have PocketGuard, which helps keep track of your daily spending and find ways to save. GoodBudget lets you plan your expenses and set aside money for savings. And then we have also Every Dollar. Every Dollar is perfect for budgeting and helps you reach your financial goals faster. By using these apps, you can take control of your finances and start saving more today. All right? So if you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe if you like. I love you.